In these set of videos, we are trying to understand each and every topic on linear relations. So this is the last question on direct variation. The question is, a line y equals to mx plus b represents direct variation. Write equation of this line passing through the point 2 minus 3. So think about it, write down your answer, and then look into my solution, right? Take these questions as your test preparation. Now, here is my solution. What is direct variation? So when we say equation of the line is y equals to mx plus b, it represents direct variation only if b equals to 0, right? That is to say that the y-intercept is at origin. B equals to 0 means y-intercept is at origin. Origin means 0, 0. In fact, for any direct variation, x and y-intercept both are at origin, correct? A direct variation will be a line which passes through the origin, right? So the origin is definitely a point on this line, correct? Now we have an equation, or we want to write an equation of a line passing through point 2 minus 3. Now since it is direct variation, so our line should look like y equals to mx. Now what is slope? That is what we need to find. If it goes through point 2 minus 3, we can write 2 for x minus 3 for y and can find slope. That is one way to find it. Let's do it that way first. So we'll do minus 3 for y, m, and x is 2. So write 2 here. So what is the slope m equals to? M equals to minus 3 over 2, right? And therefore, we get our equation as y equals to minus 3 over 2x. So that becomes the equation of a line, correct? You could do it graphically also. Point 2 comma minus 3. That means, let's say this is our coordinate system. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Point 2 minus 3 means 2 and 1, 2, 3 units down, right? So the direct variation line will go through these 2 points, 0 and the point 2 minus 3, right? Slope of this line is what? Rise over run, correct? Y value over x value. So we know slope here is equals to minus 3 over 2. So for a direct variation, the point gives you the slope directly. This is change in y, since it goes from 0 to this place. 0 to 2 is change in x. So we could have written straight y equals to minus 3 over 2x, correct? If you graph it, so you know you have to go 3 units down, 1, 2, 3, minus 3, and 2 units right. And so you get slope of minus 3 over 2. And since b is 0, therefore our equation should be y equals to minus 3 over 2x, correct? So that is how we could have got the equation of direct variation, right? I hope with this you understand what is direct variation, how can we write equation of a line showing direct variation and going through a point, and we also understand now how will a direct variation intersect with other types of lines. I hope you found that useful. Thank you.